Mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort 1.2 adapter. MDP to DP adapter supports 4K x 2K, 3840x2400p 60 Hz, 21.6 gigabits per second, HBR2, 8ch audio, multi-stream transport, MST, GTC for precise audio channel timing 3D stereo, 2560 by 1600p 120 Hz, 15 cm attached cable. Reliable design. Mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapter has durable ABS connectors with flexible PVC strain relief jacket prevent fraying or damage due to bending or rough usage. Metal connector substructure provides added ME shielding noise immunity. Applications. Video adapter is ideal for home, office, boardroom, classroom. Works with laptop. With Mini DP port, professional workstations with AMD FirePro W9100 8100, NVIDIA NVS 810 510 graphic card, UHD 4K monitor, projector, display, Microsoft Surface Pro 1-6. The Mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort video cable adapter allows you to add a standard DisplayPort connection port to your existing Mini DisplayPort equipped laptop. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly with 15 MacBook Pro, late 2016. Both USB port and gigabit NIC. Drivers are required for NIC, just need to download from StarTech website.